Trading on the Nigerian Stock Exchange closed on a positive note for the second consecutive time this week. The all-share index rose from a 0.11% increase on Thursday to a 0.12% increase today, and that's all thanks to the consumer goods sector. The market capitalization increased by 40 million naira, up from 11.835 million naira yesterday to 11.849 trillion naira today. Now let's take a look at the top traders for today. Honeywell Flour Mill PLC was the most actively traded stock, exchanging 22.923 million shares worth 29.621 million naira. And in September, Honeywell announced a 34% growth in revenue to 71.5 billion naira. And right now, they're set to complete construction of a multi-billion naira state-of-the-art factory to produce pasta in Shagamu, Ogun State. Now, when you look at these facts, then it is clear to see the prospects that shareholders are seeing by investing in this company. And looking at our top gainers for today, we see that Nigeria's largest brewing company, Nigerian Breweries, is a top gainer today, selling as high as 88 naira per share, and that's a 3.53% increase from their last close yesterday. And International Breweries also is on the list of top gainers, selling at a share price that's 4.92% higher than its last close at 30.5 naira yesterday. While reverting from its gains yesterday, shares of Nestle Nigeria PLC depreciated by minus 2.10% to close at 1,400 naira per share, and that's followed by Flour Mills of Nigeria PLC, Cadbury and Cotix, which actually is losing for the second consecutive time this week, losing further by 9.93% to close at 3.9 naira. Now let's take a look at the summary of today's trading activities, and we see that 162.410 million shares were traded at a value of 2.238 billion naira, and this was all in a total of 2,922 deals. Let's take a walk now and see how the stock market is doing on the global scene. And we see that Financial Times and the London Stock Exchange FTSE closed in the negative territory today as investors headed for the exit by continually selling off. British multinational tobacco company Imperial Brands and the British American Tobacco were the biggest losers today, as Imperial Brands lost by minus 6.03%, and the BAT declined by 4.63%. And the Dow Jones recovered from wild sell-offs yesterday to increase by 1.7%. Apple climbed at 2.7%, Amazon jumped to 3.8%, Netflix surged by 4.7%, and Adobe Systems and Microsoft all recorded increases. And generally on the New York Stock Exchange, winners outnumbered losers 8-1. And in Asia, Nikkei also fought back yesterday's losses, appreciating by 0.46%.